Right, out here in Alden, a couple of things. We're going to take this back wall down to the bottom of that window on that side. The panels aren't locked in right, and we may have to try to find the studding or the wall studs to nail. So we want to get everything all locked back up to where it's supposed to be. We're going to be working on the side of the house, replacing siding there. So we're going to save some of those panels and replace these top 3 or 4 courses here that he had replaced at one time. You can see this top course is probably going to have to be cut to get into the sill trim, and we want to run clear silicone to glue all this so it doesn't blow down on them again. We'd like to take this where these 3 pieces of J-channel are here and turn it into 2, take those top 2 and cut them back and dress that up a lot nicer on the back. Okay, on the side, it's on the right side, not far from the street. We're going to remove all the siding. There's foam board, and then he's got black board behind the foam. So there's no nailing power here. So we're going to remove all of that stuff there and expose the wall studs, replace the fiberglass insulation that we expose, OSB the whole thing, tie bag it, and 1/2-inch foam board, tape in the seams, and it's going to be new Dutch lap Certainty beige siding is going to go back up, so the spout will come off and go back on. We're going to have to work around our pipes and stuff here. He's got a reverse generator plug there, and of course we could keep the electric panel box. We're replacing the brown trim also going up there. So the insulator, we're going to keep the insulator in there. We shouldn't have to disconnect it. The rest of the wire we can. All right, and then make sure our windows all get caulked and flashed, and a peak vent up there. We might be able to reuse that peak vent if it's in good shape. If not, we'll. I don't know if I can get one that color. I just got to make sure, but I'm pretty sure we can. So that's what we're gonna do. So you can see that he's had a couple of wind damages here, so we want to make sure we get this all dressed up for him. Okay.